Happy New Year's, y'all. Let's 2024 money intelligence and the pink queen. Let's talk about it. Come spend a day in life with me and let's talk about taxes. Let's talk about that stimmy check and let's get started. So right before Christmas, I decided to go and take the kids to a drive-through light show. It was so pretty, y'all, just to drive through and see hear all the music playing and seeing all the different lights and just getting that holiday vibe, right? End the year off with positivity because we always spread love, positivity, and we stay with the good vibes. And the next morning, I had to make sure I got my routine. So I went to the gym. I love going to the gym and relieving stress and just amping up my day, right? As an accountant, it's coming time now to start preparing the US federal and state taxes. So I've been swamped with new clients and current loyal partners. So life is busy, but I still made it to the gym. I usually walk to warm up on the treadmill and then I lift little weights. Today I was just shy of a mile and a half on the treadmill and I was able to get 20 minutes of lifting weights. I did, however, get a call to make some coins and that opportunity will never be missed. So I headed home to chat with a new client. So there are a few tax situations that are arising and I'm getting an uptick of questions about the tax bracket changing and the $1,400 stimulus check that's looming around. So here's what I know. So here are some notable changes for the 2025 tax filing. Okay. The tax credits will change for the 2025 tax year, which means these adjustments will apply to income tax to be filed in 2026. Okay, so don't let that confuse you. So when they say, oh, it's your 2024 tax year, you're filing that in 2025. When you're filing your 2025 tax year, you're filing that in 2026. So these changes are going to be applied to the 2025 tax year, which means you can see these adjustments starting in 2026. Now, these are the IRS does like an annual audit based on inflation. This is going to be the inflation adjustments. So, some things that stood out to me standard deductions will be changing. That will mean for single taxpayers and married individuals who are deciding to file separately for the 2025 tax year, the standard deduction will rise to 15,000, which is 400 about a $400 increase from 2024 filing, which is this year we're filing here. Even for married couples filing jointly, the standard deduction will rise to $30,000, which is an $800 increase from last year. The head of household, okay, the standard deduction will be 22.5 for the 2025 year, and that's going to be a $600 increase from the 2024 tax year. This is the big one because this is the most common one that amongst my clients. It seems like no one's talking about. Earned income tax credits will change. Okay. So for qualifying taxpayers who have 3 or more qualifying children in the tax year 2025, which means you're filing that in 2026, your earned income tax credit will it be increasing to 8,050. So somewhere around there, which means it's nearly up $200 from what it was in your 2024 filing year, which is 2025. There is some transportation benefits happening and health flex spendable cafeteria plans. Medical savings accounts will change. Foreign earned income exclusion for the tax year will increase to 130,000, which is up about 4,500 from our 2024 filing year. Adoption credits will change. What will not change is your itemized deductions, your personal exemptions, and your lifetime learning credits. So those are the ones that are specific to 2025 filing, meaning you will file those in 2026. There is another topic that's looming around that I want to clarify. The $1,400 quote unquote stimulus check. Now, if you remember, There was a mass send out of stimulus checks. So within the coming weeks, the IRS has scheduled to send taxpayers $1,400 stimulus checks. And now that's according to the IRS website and their report that was pulled. That money will be deposited into bank accounts or be sent via check. So, do you qualify? The IRS will be distributing about 2.4 billion to taxpayers who failed to claim recovery rebate credit on their 2021 tax return. So, I know you probably didn't know me in 2021, so you didn't have an amazing accountant on your side, but I'm here to tell you, if you did not claim your recovery rebate credit on your 2021 tax returns, you should be receiving a 1,400 stimulus check. And no, it's not a new round of stimulus checks. That's the misconception. This is going to be stimulus checks to those who did not receive one. So those are just a few tax situations. And that's how I'm ending the year and coming into the new year for another trip around the sun and growing my accountancy and helping everyone elevate in their personal life and their professional life. I will always and forever continue to push small business ideas and working independence. Not to say it's nothing wrong with, working for another organization, but I'm heavy on keeping some type of income you can create yourself just in case those jobs fall through or slow down or anything like that. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and keep up with your girl.